Hello everyone. Today, I will be discussing what is precision nutrition, a nutritional strategies to provide animals their nutrient requirements. So, what is precision nutrition? Precision nutrition is the practice of formulating and delivering diets tailored to the exact nutrient requirements of different animals or groups, accounting for individual variability and changes over time. So basically, precision nutrition means creating diets that exactly match what each animal or group of animals needs to be healthy. Instead of giving animals the same feed, we study their specific requirements because every animal is different. Their needs can change depending on their age, size, or health. By giving right nutrients at the right time, we help animals grow better, stay healthier, and reduce waste from extra feed. This way, feeding is more efficient and supports better farming practices. So why is it important of meeting species-specific and individual nutrient needs? Usually, nutrient requirements vary widely between species, ages, health conditions, genetics, and production stages. So getting this accurate data is very hard, especially here in the Philippines, given the technology that we have, unlike other countries, developed countries especially, which are more advanced. But meeting these specific needs enhances animal health, reproduction, immunity, growth, and overall performance. Also, it reduces the nutrient wastage and environmental pollution from excess nitrogen and phosphorus excretion. And thus, the goals of precision nutrition is to enhance animal productivity and welfare, tailor nutrient supply to match demand precisely, use advanced technologies for real-time monitoring and data analysis, and improve resource allocation and long-term sustainability. So now we are talking about the limitations of traditional feeding systems. So traditional systems often feed average diets to groups, ignoring individual differences, and thus it leads to nutrient under or oversupply. Undersupply means we are not able to satisfy the animal, and oversupply means we are wasting feed. And this results in inefficiencies, higher feed cost, and environmental waste. And also, traditional feeding systems limit the capacity of real-time adjustment and monitoring of animal nutrient intake. Therefore, it can't easily check or change the animal's diets right away based on what they really need. So these are the objectives of precision nutrition in livestock and poultry production. First, it optimizes animal health and performance by enhancing growth rate, reproduction, and immunity. Number 2, maximize feed efficiency by improving nutrient digestibility and reducing feed wastage. Number 3, it reduces production costs through efficient feed use. Number 4, it maximizes environmental impacts by reducing nitrogen and phosphorus waste. And last one, promote sustainable animal production through data-driven individualized feeding approaches. So now here we are at the core concepts of precision nutrition. First, we have the individual versus group feeding approaches. Individual means the feed is based on the individual animal, such as its species, age, like that. And the group feeding approaches means it gives the same food to the whole group of animals without thinking about their individual needs. And we also have the nutrient requirement variability, such as the species, age, health, and genetics, real-time monitoring of animal condition, and use of data sensors and automated systems through advanced technologies.
Now, let's move on to the nutritional strategies in precision nutrition. But before anything else, let me explain what is nutritional strategies mean. Nutritional strategies are the methods we use to create the right diet for animals. These strategies help ensure that animals get the exact nutrients nga kailangan para sa ilang growth, health, and also productivity. In precision nutrition, these strategies are based on data, science, and sometimes in technology. Now, here are the strategies we considered. First is the ingredient selection. This strategy focuses on choosing high quality and highly digestibility ingredients. This is important because even if an ingredients look nutritious, if the animals cannot digest it well, the nutrients kay masayang lang. For example, instead of using or giving them low quality of roughage, we will give them feeds like soybean meal or corn that ma-digest nila easily. Then the next one is the nutrients balancing. This means making sure that each diet has the correct level of energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Different animals manggod and age group kay na sila different amounts of kanang nutrients or feeds nga kailangan sa ilahang body. For example is growing pigs need more protein than adult pigs. So their diet is adjusted. Then also we have pace feeding. Pace feeding means giving different ration for each growth, production, or physiological stage. Animals don't need the same nutrients levels forever. They change as they grow. For example, chicks, grower, and layers all have different feed formulation. And then lastly is the biotechnology helps improve nutrients utilization. Enzymes make feeds easier to digest, while probiotics and prebiotics helps improve gut health. This leads to better growth and better feed efficiency. Let's proceed to precision feeding technologies. If nutritional strategies focus on what to feed, precision feeding technologies focus on how to feed animals accurately. These technologies help farmers deliver the right amount of feed based on real-time data, so animals get exactly what they need. Walay labis, walay kulang. So here are the key technologies. First is automated feeders. These are machines that automatically give feed to animals based on set amounts or data from sensors. So how it works? The farmers programs the amount of feed. Then the machines dispense feed at the right time and the right quantity. Some advanced feeders can adjust feed based on sa ilahang behavior or weight. Then, ngano magmatter siya? Para ma-prevent ang overfeeding, reduces feed waste, and ensure each animals makakuha og right nutrients. And then second one is the sensor-based monitoring. These sensors are tools that collect real-time information about animals. These sensors measure things such as weight, feed intake, water intake, activity level, and sometimes even body temperatures. So ano magmatter siya? Para sa faster detection of health problems and more accurate adjustment in feeding. And then lastly is the smart software for ration balancing. This technology uses data from feeders and sensors to automatically adjust or recommend diet changes. So, how it works? Super analyze feed intake, growth rate, and animals' performance. It suggests the best feed formulation and some system adjust diet in real time. Example is if the pigs are growing slower than expected, the software may increase protein or energy in the diet automatically. So, ganun gamatter siya. Kay para, ang diet adjustment become more accurate faster and based on real-time data, dili lang siya guesswork.
And now, let's proceed to the benefits of precision nutrition in animal welfare. When we provide animals with the nutrients that are accurately matched to their needs, we see several major improvements in both growth and efficiency. First, there is a higher average daily gain. This means that the animals grow faster because their diets contains the right nutrients at the right levels. Second, we see an improved feed conversion ratio. Animals are able to convert feed into body weight more efficiently, which reduces overall feed costs and improves production profitability. Third, precision nutrition helps reduce nutrient-related metabolic disorders by preventing nutrient excesses or deficiencies. Animals experience fewer health issues linked to improper nutrition. Fourth, there is a better carcass quality and improved product quality. Animals develop more desirable muscle to fat ratios, resulting in higher value products in the market. Fifth, we achieve more uniform weight distribution within a herd or flock. This is important because uniformity leads to better processing efficiency, reducing sorting time, and improving batch consistency. And finally, when animals are healthier and maintain a nutritionally balanced diets, producers benefit from a lower veterinary cost. Because the animals receive the right nutrients at the right time, their immune systems become stronger and more resilient. This improved internal nutrient balance helps them resist diseases better, recover faster, and maintain overall good health, ultimately reducing the need for frequent medical treatment and intervention. Overall, these benefits highlight how precision nutrition not only enhances animal performance but also supports economic efficiency and sustainability across production systems. Next, let's take a look at the environmental benefits of precision nutrition. One of the biggest advantages of this approach is its impact on reducing pollution and making livestock production more sustainable. First, precision nutrition significantly reduces nutrient waste, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. By lowering crude protein while balancing standardized ileal digestible amino acids, animals excrete less nitrogen. Similarly, using phytase and precisely managing mineral phosphorus greatly reduces phosphorus excretion. Second, this reduction leads to a lower greenhouse gas emissions, including ammonia, nitrous oxide, and even methane in some systems. This helps lessen the overall environmental footprints of animal production. Third, with a fewer excess nutrient ending up in the manure, we prevent environmental loading during manure application. This means less risk of water contamination, soil degradation, and air quality issues. Fourth, precise nutrition also improves circular economy integration by allowing the use of alternative ingredients and upcycled feed materials. We make better use of agricultural byproducts and reduce reliance on resource-extensive feeds. Overall, these improvements contribute to the cleaner production, reduced pollution, and a move toward more climate-smart farming. Let's discuss the challenges and limitations of precision nutrition in animal production. Although it brings many advantages, several factors make its adoption difficult for many producers. First, there is the issue of high costs and technology requirements. Precision nutrition relies on sensors, data system, and specialized feeding equipment that are expensive to install and maintain. Second, the system depends heavily on data accuracy and proper interpretation. If the data collected is incomplete or inaccurate, it can lead to poor feeding decisions and negatively affect animal performance. Third, many small farms have limited access to this technology. Lack of resources, technical knowledge, and infrastructure prevents smallholders from adopting precision nutrition tools. Fourth, the complexity of implementation is another barrier. Precision systems require trained personnel, regular calibration, and continuous monitoring to function effectively. Fifth, variability among animals makes precision difficult. Differences in genetics, health status, and environmental condition can make precise nutrient prediction challenging. And lastly, infrastructure and connectivity issues, especially in rural areas, hinder real-time data transfer. Poor internet or power instability can disrupt automated feeding and monitoring system. Overall, while precision nutrition is highly beneficial, these challenges must be addressed to ensure wider adoption across animal production systems.
In the slides, we will look at the future trends in precision nutrition. These are the new technologies and innovation that will further improve how we feed animals in the coming years. Let's go through them one by one. The first trend is AI driven diet optimization. Artificial intelligence or AI will help create more accurate diets for animals. It can analyze large amount of data like feed intake, growth rate, and health records to calculate the best ration for each animals. The next trend is automated precision livestock farming or PLF. In the future, many farms will be fully automated. Feeding, monitoring, and managing animals will be done by machines and smart systems. The third trend is the nutrigenomics, which link nutrition with genetics. Animals will be fed based on their individual genetic makeup. This means that each animal gets the nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Then another trend is smart farms. Smart farms uses an integrated digital platform to connect sensors, software, automated feeders, and other equipment. All the data is available in one system for better decision making. The fifth trend is the sustainable innovation. This includes eco-friendly feed ingredients like insect meals, algae, and alternative proteins. They provide proper nutrition while being better for the environment. Then finally, um, the last one is the predictive health monitoring. AI and sensors will detect early signs of health or nutritional problems before animals show symptoms. So, these all future trends show that precision nutrition will become more advanced, automated, and sustainable. They will help farmer improve animal health, reduce costs, and make farming more efficient. To conclude our presentation, precision nutrition is a new way to feed animals exactly what they need by using data and technology. This helps animals grow better and stay healthier while using less feed and creating less waste. It can be expensive and hard for small farms, but new tools like AI and sensors are making it easier to use. Overall, precision nutrition supports healthier animals, better farming, and a cleaner environment. That's all.